Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I will be making barbecue baked beans. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. You will need a 1-pound bag of small red beans, 1/2 cup of molasses, 1 cup of Jack Daniel's Original No. 7 recipe barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 16-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of ground beef, 7 slices of maple-flavored bacon, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Soak your red beans overnight in 8 cups of water. Place beans and water in a large pot and allow to cook for 1.5 hours. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to beans, turn off your burner, and set beans aside for later. In a frying pan, cook your bacon for 8 to 10 minutes or until brown and crispy. Remove bacon and set aside. Next, brown your ground beef. Add onions and allow to cook for an additional 2 minutes. Remove ground beef and onions and set aside. In a saucepan, combine your barbecue sauce, molasses, brown sugar, tomato paste, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and allow to cook on low for approximately 4 minutes or until well combined. Transfer your beans to a baking dish. Now add all of your ingredients. Cover your dish with foil and bake for 1 hour and 45 minutes or until the beans have reached your desired tenderness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.